Which of the following sites were added to the UNESCO World Heritage List in the same year? Okay, so now it was basically your Ramappa temple and Dholavira which were added in 2021. Shanti Niketan was added in 2024. Rankiva was added in 2014 and Ajanta I think in 80s or something. But what is this Ramappa temple? This you will be studying about when you will be studying about the Kakatiyas. Okay, this is a temple under the regional kings known as Kakatiyas. You will notice this. And Dholavira, basically, it is your water harvesting system, right? And you notice it during the time of your Indus Valley civilization. Is it clear? Okay, so first of all, if I see here, Pushkar is not in Gujarat. First of all, it is in Ajmer. That's Rajasthan. This is wrong. Surajkund Mela, Haryana, yes. Sonepur Mela, Bihar, absolutely. This is also correct. So first and second is correct over here. Consider the following statements. Badini is a form of printed textile art. Now, this is wrong. Basically, in Badini, what do? They tie and they dye technique. It's a tie and dye technique. First they tie it, then they dip it, and then they dye it. So first of all, printed textile art, I think this is kalamkari, which again UPSC has asked in its prelims 2015. Badani, it involves tying knots on fabric before the dyeing. This is absolutely right over here. With reference to Ibn Battuta observations during his visit to India. Now, Ibn Battuta basically, he was a Moroccan, right? He was a Moroccan traveler who had visited during the time of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He was appointed, absolutely right, as a Qazi of Delhi by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He had described the postal system as inefficient and rarely used. Now, this is wrong. Dak and all the postal system was there. Basically, what was happening that at every course or kilometers, a person was standing with a horse, and it was a relay race kind of system. He had traced this system basically. One person was relaying the information to the other person, then another person was relaying it, and it is said that fresh fruits were reached from Delhi to Daultabag also because of this system. Yes, the postal system was highly efficient. Statement is wrong over here. He wrote extensively about the Indian cities, betel leaves and coconuts. Again, this is correct over here. Consider the following statements about William Hawkins' mission to India. He visited the court of Akbar to negotiate the trade rights. He never came to Akbar's court. He came to the court of Jahangir. First of all, this statement is itself wrong. So you can see over here very clearly that first statement is wrong. He was sent by King James I of England. Yes, he secured permission to establish a factory at Surat. This is also correct. So statement C, only one of the statements is correct, and that explains the statement 1. He came during the court of Jahangir around 1608 AD. Okay.